In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the list your subscribers get added to in Klaviyo. This process is quick and simple, and over the next 5 minutes I'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth transition. So, whether you're managing your email marketing strategies or simply organizing your subscriber lists, these instructions will help you efficiently get the job done. Let's begin by heading over to Klaviyo. First, you'll need to log into your account. Make sure you have your credentials ready, and if you encounter any issues logging in, double check your password or reach out to Klaviyo support for assistance. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. On the left hand side you'll see a menu. From this menu, look for the option labelled Sign Up Forms. Click on it and it will take you to a page displaying all the forms you currently have set up in your account. Now that you're in the Sign Up Forms area, your next task is to locate the specific form you want to edit. Scroll through your list of forms. Once you find the one you're interested in, simply click on it to open up the form editor. In the form editor, you'll see a preview of your sign up form. Here, what you want to do is find the submit button, often referred to as the CTA or call to action button. Click on this button in the preview. This will bring up a set of options related to what happens after a user submits their information through this form. Focus on the list to submit section that appears after you click the CTA button. You'll notice a drop down menu here. To change the list that subscribers will be added to upon submitting their information, click on this drop down. You'll see a list of all the available subscriber lists in your account. Simply select the new list where you want new subscribers to be directed. Finally, after making your selection, look to the editing sidebar. You will notice an option to go back to save these changes. Clicking back not only saves your updates, but also returns you to the overall view of your sign up forms, confirming that your modifications are successfully implemented. And that's it. You've now changed the list your subscribers get added to. This simple adjustment can help you refine your subscriber management and enhance your email marketing efforts. If you need to make further changes, feel free to repeat these steps. Thanks for following along and happy organizing.